Hello friends, my name is Vraj Shah and I have started this lecture series on NCERT exercise solution. Let us begin with chapter number 2, units and measurement. In this particular problem, we have to solve some fill in the blanks. In question number A, the volume of a cube of side 1 centimeter is equal to blank meter cube. So, if we draw a cube of any side length A, then for a cube the volume is given by a raised to 3, that is a cube. A multiplied by a is the volume of a cube. If we substitute the value of volume, it is 1 centimeter raised to 3, that is 1 centimeter cube. Rather than the question of a volume of a cube, it is the question of a conversion of units from centimeter cube to meter cube. So here 1 centimeter is equal to 1 divided by 100 meter, which implies that if you want to cube on the both side, then 1 centimeter cube turns out to be 1 upon 100 raised to 3 meter cube, cubing on the both the sides. Therefore the volume, it turns out to be, if you cube this, then it turns out to be 10 raised to minus 2 raised to 3, 10 raised to minus 6 meter cube. So you can simply write the answer as 10 raised to minus 6 meter cube. Let us discuss about the second part of the problem, that is B. The surface area of a solid cylinder of radius 2 cm and height 10 cm is equal to how much mm square? For a solid cylinder, there are total 3 parts of the area. The 2 ends that are closing the cylinder, and 1 the curved surface area of the cylinder. So the total area of the cylinder can be written as pi r square, that is 2 pi r square, plus the curved surface area of the cylinder, that is 2 pi times r multiplied by h. Now if we properly look at the question, it is objected to discuss about significant figures. In question, the significant figures of a radius are 2, that is 2 and 0. As after the decimal 0 is mentioned, it shows that instrument has list count of 0.1 centimeter. So the number of list count here are 2 and number of list count here are 3. And as we know that in addition we have to retain decimal points, and in multiplication or division we retain significant integers. So just substitute the values. It is 2.0 raised to 2 plus 2 times 3.14 multiplied by 2.0 multiplied by height, that is 10.0. If you will solve this problem, you will get the answer that is equal to 150.85 centimeter square. But here we have to obtain the answer in mm square. So it can be written as 150.85 mm square. How? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So 1 centimeter square, squaring on the both side, gives us result that is 100 mm square. So multiplying 100 in this particular answer, we will get 150.85 mm square. Now if we write in a proper significant figures, that we have to retain minimum significant figures for a multiplication of integers. Here the 2 is the minimum significant figures, 2 is the minimum significant figures. So retaining the first two values, that is 1.5 into 10 raised to 1, 2, we should start from the back, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is 10 raised to 4 mm square. Okay, so you can write here 1.5 into 10 raised to 4 mm square. Let us discuss the part C of the question, that is a vehicle moving with a speed of 18 km per hour covers blank meter in 1 second. So here we are given in the question that v, that is the speed of the vehicle, is 18 km per hour. We want answers in meter and in seconds. So let us convert this unit into meter into second. That is 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1000 meter, and 1 hour, that is equivalent to 60 multiplied by 60, that is 36000 seconds. If you will convert this, it turns out to be in a constant fraction, that is 5 divided by 18 meter per second. So from here we obtain that the speed is the result of the speed is 5 meter per second. But in our question it is asked that what will be the distance covered in 1 second. Therefore, the speed can be given as distance upon time, which implies that distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Here the speed is 5 meter per second and the time itself is 1 second. The second got cancelled and the resulting answer is 5 meter. So the distance covered is 5 meter in 1 second. Let us discuss the D part of the question. The relative density of lead is 11.3. Its density is blank in gram per centimeter cube or blank in kg per meter cube. The relative density is a concept which gives us relation, that is relative density is absolute density of any material divided by density of water of same volume. The volumes of that particular material and volume of water should remain same. So here in question the relative density is given as 11.3 for the material lead. So let us symbolize the density of lead as rho L. Now the density of water is equivalent to 1000 kg per meter cube, and in CGS units its value is 1 gram per centimeter cube. You can try that conversion by putting 1000 and here 100 centimeter and you will get 1 as your answer. Okay. Therefore the density of rho turns out to be 11.3 multiplied by, if you put SI unit here, you will get 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube, and if you put CGS unit here, then you will get 11.3 into 1 gram per centimeter cube. Here it is a very specific thing to notice is that relative density is a unitless quantity which relates two densities. Okay, so here we have completed the first problem. In next problem we will discuss in next lecture.